Welcome to Shastra Academy. We will discuss the topics about two transistor model of silicon controlled rectifier. Now, in the class, we will SCR structure and working principle, modes of operation explain. Now, SCR working principle, two transistor model which explain. So, consider the structure of silicon controlled rectifier, say PNP, 3-terminal device. So, this is two transistor model. This middle layer we bisect. So divide the middle layer. So we have two transistor model. That is transistor T1. One is PNP and another transistor T2. That is NPN. So this is transistor model represented. The first transistor T1, then second transistor T2. This is the emitter, base and collector terminal of the first transistor T1. This is the collector, base, emitter terminal of second transistor T2. The base of first transistor T1 is connected to the collector of second transistor. So this is the base of first transistor. This is connected to the collector of second transistor. Okay. Then the collector of first transistor is connected to the base of second transistor. This is the collector of first transistor. This is connected to the base of second transistor. Okay. This connection. Then we will two transistor model use SCR working principle explain. So SCR first forward bias. SCR forward bias. Anode is connected to positive terminal of cathode is connected to negative terminal. So this is the anode is connected to the positive terminal of the battery through a load resistor RL. And this is the cathode is connected to negative terminal of the battery. Then forward bias. Then but we have two cases. Then consider the case 1. Consider case 1. Consider case 1 when the gate voltage is 0. Gate voltage is 0. So this is the gate terminal. Gate terminal is connected to the collector of first transistor. This is the collector of first transistor. So this is the gate terminal. So case 1 and gate voltage is 0. That is VG is 0. Now gate voltage. Then what happens? The gate current IG is equal to 0. That is IG is equal to 0. Then here current is marked here. So this is the anode current or emitter current IE1. This is the base current of first transistor IB1. Collector current of first transistor IC1. Then this is the emitter current of second transistor IE2. So this is the base current of second transistor IB2. Then collector current of second transistor IC2. Then case 1 and gate current is 0. So gate current is 0. Then corresponding base current is 0. In this case, our input current is the input current. Input current is base current. That is the base current. And the output current is equal to the collector current. Okay. Now, transistor BJT is a current control device. That means the input base current will turn on the transistor and there will be a flow of current. So base current is transistor on, so output current is the collector current producing. In case 1, gate current is 0. So gate current is 0. Then what is the value of IB2? IB2 is 0. So IB2 is equal to 0. So IB2 is 0. Transistor is off. Second transistor is off. So output collector current no. The IC2 is equal to 0. Okay. But the base of first transistor is connected to the collector terminal of second transistor. That means IB1 is equal to IC2. So IC2 is 0. What is IB2? IB1? IB1 is also 0. So base current of first transistor is 0, that means this transistor is off. So collector current IC1 എന്ത് തന്നെയായിരിക്കും? 0 ആയിരിക്കും, because transistor is off. ഇവിടെ നോക്കിയേ, രണ്ട് ട്രാൻസിസ്റ്ററിൻ്റെ ഔട്ട്പുട്ട് കറണ്ട് IC2 and IC1 both are 0. The input currents are always 0. So output current IC2 and IC1 are 0. That means the two transistors T1 and T2 are operated in cutoff region, or we can say that T1 and T2 are off. T1 and T2 are off, or SCR is off, or SCR is off. Correct അല്ലേ? ബിക്കോസ് എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ഗേറ്റ് വോൾട്ടേജ് കൂടെ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് എന്താണ്? 0. സോ ഒരു SCRനെ കണ്ടക്ഷൻ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എന്തുകൂടെ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം? ഒരു പോസിറ്റീവ് ഗേറ്റ് വോൾട്ടേജ് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം. നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ഈ കേസിൽ ഗേറ്റ് വോൾട്ടേജ് ഒന്നും കൊടുത്തിട്ടില്ല. സോ ഫൈനലി SCR എന്താണ്? ഓഫ് പൊസിഷനിലാണ്. ദെൻ കൺസിഡർ കേസ് 2. Then consider the case 2, when gate voltage is positive. Then gate voltage is positive. Gate voltage is positive. But due to positive gate voltage, there is a gate current IG. Gate current IG. So due to IG, there is a base current IB2. There is a gate voltage. Due to gate voltage, there is a base current IB2. This IB2 base current will turn on the transistor T2. So there is a collector current IC2, and what do we get? IC2 is equal to IB1. So there is a base current IB1. This base current will turn on the transistor T1. So there is a collector current IC1. What do we get? രണ്ട് ട്രാൻസിസ്റ്റേഴ്സിൻ്റെ ഔട്ട്പുട്ട് കറണ്ട് IC2 and IC1 രണ്ടും ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ? ബേസ് കറണ്ട് ഉണ്ട്, രണ്ടുപേരും കളക്ടർ കറണ്ട് IC2 and IC1 are present. That means ഇവിടെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ട്രാൻസിസ്റ്റർ T2 is providing input current to the second transistor. T2 is providing input current to the first transistor, and the first transistor T1 is providing input current to the second transistor. That is, two transistors are providing input current to each other. That means these two transistors are working in saturation level. Once they are saturated, they remains fully on state. That means T1 and T2 are on. That is, SCR is on. Like ഇപ്പോഴാണ് ഗേറ്റ് വോൾട്ടേജ്, ഒരു പോസിറ്റീവ് ഗേറ്റ് വോൾട്ടേജ് കൊടുക്കുന്ന അന്നേരം എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? ഓൾറെഡി ഇത് ഫോർവേഡ് ബയസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ദെൻ ഇനി എന്തുകൂടെ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം? കണ്ടക്ഷൻ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ ഒരു പോസിറ്റീവ് ഗേറ്റ് വോൾട്ടേജ് കൊടുക്കുക. then അപ്പോൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? SCR this remains on. So this is the working principle of silicon controlled rectifier based on two transistor model of SCR.